Hey guys, welcome back with me again in this channel. On today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can use Google Sheets templates for faster workflows. So if you want to save time and boost your productivity, you can just use the Google Sheets templates to streamline your workflows and simplify repetitive tasks. So what you need to do is just open the docs.google.com/spreadsheets, and in here you'll see at the very top there will be this template gallery. You can click on it and there will be a bunch of templates that you can use. There are so many options from personal, work category, project management, and also education. So if you want to use one, you can just choose the templates that you want. For example, I'm going to make attendance lists for my students. You can just go to the education in here and open the attendance template. And after the template is open, you can just now modify the template based on your requirements and needs. For example, in here you can just for attendance you can add the class and also the teacher's name, also the student's name. For example, here just change it like this, and you can also change the date. So you can just click on today and just drag it like this. Okay, now after you are done with customizing the templates, it will automatically save, so you don't need to save it. You can just close this, or you can also share it with your colleagues. And that's all for me. I hope this simple step-by-step guide will be helpful for you. So don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Also click on the thanks button for more productivity tips and tutorials. Bye.